Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to create a Candy Crush Saga account. First of all, open up the Candy Crush Saga application on your Android or iOS device. Once you're inside this page, click on the gear button at the bottom left. Now click on My Account. On the next page, you'll be asked to sign up with email or continue with Facebook or Apple option. To create an account with email, tap on Sign up with email. On the next page, if you don't have a King account, you'll need to create one. Type down your email address and password in the respective text boxes. Make sure that you enter a valid email and create a strong password for your account and click on Create a King account. If you already have a King account, you can tap on the login button at the top and enter your email and password associated with the King account. Once you have your correct credential, click on login and you will then be able to complete signing up for Candy Crush Saga with your King account. Your game will now be saved so that you can continue playing on any devices. Just remember the credential that you enter and you'll be good to go. Now you can start playing the game since your Candy Crush Saga account is now created and linked to your Facebook or King account. This will keep all of your levels and progress safe. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.